Think of this as a pipe. Now, you put something here, something that would resist a current. So, say tendency, na something at this point in time, sa may mahitabo, the flow of the, pag-abot diri, no? So, of course, given that the flow here is equal, ang musulod diri is equal, of course, equal rapod sa mugawas, no? Kay closed pipe man na siya. Pero something will happen here. Okay? Here, you have to apply energy. Tama? In order to resist that flow. Okay? You have to apply that energy. Nakuha ninyo? Kaning part. Nga, nagasugod, sao gani? Naay resistance sa current. Okay? So, in the end, murag kumbaga pa, at this point, you're spending energy, right? In order to resist that current. So it's like that. And Ohm's law, in the simplest form, of course, it has a much more complicated form, but we're not going to discuss that. It says that the voltage, think of the voltage is the potential, right? The unit of remember that recall that the unit of the potential, the electric potential, what's the electric potential? The electric potential, V, is just equal to U over the test charge. Okay? U over Q naught. Ibig sabihin, U is the charge of the, kumbaga pa na kay charge ra Q, and you put something a Q naught there. So that's just U over Q naught. Or just, actually, it's a much better nga, we define it as, just like U as the integral of, this is defined as the integral of E dot dr. Okay? Dili na natin siya i-derive. We already have derived the U. So, enough na to because the only missing from B, nga naa sa U is actually the other charge. Katong charge dire, no? Recall that we can calculate the potential at this point nga bisag wala siya test charge. Nakuha? As long as na kay source charge. But to calculate for the potential energy, you will be needing a test charge here. Sabtan ninyo. Record ba ni? Okay. You will be needing a test charge rin. Sabtan? Okay? Okay. So that the unit of this is, what's the unit of E? Kung tanawin ninyo, E dot dr, the unit of E is Newton per coulomb. Tama? So sa ato pa, the unit of this now is, the unit of V now, this is the unit of E. So the unit of V now would be equal to, what's the unit of V? That would be Newton times meter per coulomb, or that is equal to joules per coulomb, which is consistent with U over Q. Sabtan? Consistent with U over Q. So, this unit is actually equal to 1 volt. 1 volt is 1 joules per coulomb. Now, let's understand that potential. Joules per coulomb, that's the energy. We can think of that as the potential energy per coulomb. The energy per coulomb on this point here where you measure the potential. Okay? Let's have this analogy sa gravitational potential. We have the potential energy, U. Okay? Which is equal to mgh. Meaning, pag ako nisang isaka diri, suppose that pag isaka na ako ang 2 grams diri, let's say 2 kilograms, akong ibutang diri. Let's say the potential energy is, let's say 100 joules. No? A mass of 2 kilograms. What would be the gravitational potential? Okay, now, aside from the gravitational potential energy, we also have the gravitational potential due to the gravitational field. We have a gravitational force, we also have a gravitational field. The nature of gravity and electromagnetism is pareho. In fact, the equation of gravitational force is just equal to G m1 m2 over r squared, which actually reduces to the weight if we are just close to the surface of the earth. G m1 over m2. And what is the electric force? Fe is K Q1 Q2 over anong R2 man na? That's R squared, right? And as you can see, there's actually a meme on that. There's a meme on that on the internet. Katuganing nangupya si Mr. Bean nga kakita mo atong episode nga nangupya siya nga iyahang gihuyop tong papel sa ano. And it says there, Coulomb. Coulomb, mo ni gisulat ni Coulomb, Newton di ay. Newton, and then si Mr. Bean si Coulomb. Okay, so Fe is just this. Kinao naman si Newton, formulate ana. So, it has the same nature. So, ang gravitational potential energy, let's say the gravitational potential energy at this height of a 2 kilograms of mass is 100 joules. What is the gravitational potential? Well, just divide that mass, so that's 100 joules over 2 kilograms. So that would be 50 joules per kilogram. Meaning, if that is the gravitational potential here, okay, meaning, if let's say at this point, 50 kilograms per, 50 kilograms per, 50 joules per kilogram, that would mean that for 1 kilogram at this point, we'll have an energy of 50 kilograms. 50 joules for 1 kilogram. Okay? Now, of course, pila pag 2 kilograms? That would be 100, right? Balik dito, no? So, mo na yung sa gravitational potential. Okay? Now, of course, as you go further, the electric potential goes weaker. And of course, this unit now, we give this 1 volt. 1 volt is 1 joules per coulomb. Okay? Now, Ohm's law states that the energy per unit charge here, which is the voltage, or you can think of this as the energy drop, the energy used in order to prevent this current, to stop this, to slow down the current, will be just equal to the current I times the resistance of that whatever unsay resistance dira. Okay? And that resistance will be dependent on the density of the material and some whatever unsay kuan dira, no? So, it says that V is equal to IR. This is the simplest form of Ohm's law. Of course, na mas complicated ana, pero di na nato to siya ikuan, no? Now, okay. Think of something like this. Nakay wheel dire. Kanang elevator. Now, suppose that you have an elevator. Being actually nakay something dire nga conveyor, no? Gatuyok siya, ga-move dito, and so on. So, naay something dire, and then it will be carried up, no? Constantly. And pag-abot dire, it will, meaning, whatever is, you will need something, right? An energy in order to carry something gikan dire, from the, whatever is this, pasaka dito, nakuha. So, clearly, these two are of different potentials, right? Of different gravitational potential, right? For example, this is at lower potential and this is at higher potential. Sabdan ninyo? So, ibig sabihin, what this conveyor does is that it raises a mass here, whatever is that mass, to a higher potential. No? So, musakang yung potential energy Pag-abot dito, no? This is the lower potential and then it goes to the higher potential. And then suppose nga, napoy conveyor diri, no? And suddenly and after pag maabot siya diri, move siya diri, and suddenly move ana siya, mubaba. Na something diri that cause it to go down and ana na po siya, straight na po siya dito and it goes down. Okay? And hantod maabot siya diri, which is there's a conveyor nga saka siya diri. So what is happening here is that at every step of the way, at every point, this point A, and then let's call this point B, and this is point C. As you can see, point A is at higher potential compared to point B. And of course, point C. Okay? So there's a decrease in this potential. For example, okay, ato na lang ano, let's say point C ka na lang siya, no? So, ibig sabihin here, the decrease in the potential at A is greater than the decrease in the potential from B to C. Okay? And of course, this is greater than this one here. Suddenly, nibaba siya. So, this whole cycle, usay, tanaw ninyo, usay, makita niyo nga cycle. Pag abot diri, it gains energy. Kinsay muhatag sa energy, ana? Why did it gain energy? Because it actually went from this level with a lower potential to a higher potential. The potential energy here increases. For example, the potential energy here could be 0. Pag abot dire, the potential energy now would be, pagpalagay nato, mahimong 100. Tama? So it gained energy. Asa na niya gikuha ang energy? Well, of course, gikuha na niyang energy sa katong gapadagan aning conveyor system, right? Kaning dire. Maybe that's a waterfall, or maybe it's a battery. And after some time, mahurot ng battery, tama? All the energy of the battery will be mahatag niya dire. Of course, we know that in the second law of thermodynamics states that dili gyud tanang energy ato magamit nun ay waste. But of course, we don't care about that now. Okay? So, ang kuan karon dire is that when we convert this, and this is one whole complete circuit. If we convert this to a circuit, okay? Notice here, we can think of this as gravitational potential, no? And let's call this gravitational potential, this is A, GA, and this is GG. Okay? Ground. Okay? The GG na ang potential dire, right? It could be 0. So, notice that dire kay GB, tama? And this is GC, potential here. Ang sa'yo na-notice ninyo, we know that, okay, GA is just equal to the potential, this is just GC, plus GB, plus whatever this one, tawagan natin siyang point B man, no? Ano na lang? 1 na lang niya. 1, 2, and 3. So this is G3 plus G2 plus G1. Tama? And of course, this is actually much better expressed as GA minus GG. Nakuha? Because GG may not be 0. It can be any reference. Posible gani that this is negative 100 and this is 100, right? Tama? Okay? So GG, we call now GA minus GG as the potential difference between point A and point G. Nakuha? So the potential difference, delta GAG, meaning the potential difference between G and A, is given by GA minus GG. Sabdan. And, for example, what's the potential difference between A and point 2? Well, the potential difference between point A and point 2, that would be GA minus G2, would just be equal to what? GA minus G2, right? Okay? Now, notice that when you add all of this, is just equal to the potential difference. Tama? Of course, mamanay ko na to. Okay? Now, in electrical circuits, this is actually equivalent to an electrical circuits. This one is actually what we call a resistance. This is a circuit equivalent to na ay tulo ka resistance. Tulo ka resistance. So, we can write this circuit as, this is the, what we call the voltage source. The source of, that is the voltage source. And let's call this R1 and R2. And this is, okay, dili na voltage source. Okay, voltage source is just, let's just label this as kana, no? Or in that case, in a more atong ikuan nga, this is ang higher potential and lower potential. Okay? So, R1, R2, and R3. Asa atong point A? This is our point A and this is our point G, right? So, asa atong point 1? Okay, actually, ang point 1 ug ang point A, pareho na siya, no? We put the point 1 here, right? Dito. In that case. So, asa ang point 2? Ang point 2 is anywhere. Asa ang point 2 karon? Okay, after R1, tama? So, anywhere here, pwede dire ang point 2, pwede dire. So, any point here is actually point 2. And of course, point 3 would be somewhere here. Okay? And this is now here, point G. This is already the ground. Kana siya dire. Sabtan? Now, it's like every time you pass a resistor, there is what we call a voltage drop. The voltage drop is equivalent to the potential. This is actually the potential drop. Tama? The drop of energy per unit mass in gravity. Here, the voltage drop is called the drop of the energy per unit charge. Joules per coulomb. Every time that it passes a resistor, there is what we call voltage drop. Okay? So, in analogy, in gravitational fields, it actually equivalent to moving a lower, nakuha niyo? Lower height. Okay? And of course, dire. Now, something that causes, pag-abot diri mo ana na po, because there's a current flow. So, there must be a cause here that would raise now the potential from GG to GA. And what would be that force? We call that now the electromotive force. Just like this one. It's like the EMF. The EMF, okay, raises dire from lower potential to that higher potential dito. Okay? And what's a thing, say, in electricity, what's that? Equivalent sa battery. Okay? Battery has a negative terminal, the lower potential, and a higher terminal, the positive terminal, which is the higher potential. Sabta ninyo? So it goes, yung ginasaka dito. So this whole thing here is like a battery. What the battery does is yung ibalik na siya, no? So every time the battery does that, unsay mahitabo, ngayang isaka ang it loses energy, right? A battery is something that stores electrical energy. And every time that battery is racing to a higher terminal, it loses its energy, giving up dito sa, para musaka to, no? For the electron to transfer from one terminal to the other. So that's the mechanism. Okay? So this is what we call if this is a steady flow, assuming steady flow siya, then this is what we call a direct current circuit. It's a circuit. It's a closed circuit, di ba? Dito. And we know now, VAB, okay, let's just now call this as point B, the lower potential. Now here, VAB is what? Of course, VAB must be equal to, okay, let's name this one here. Di ba na voltage drop dire? Tama? So we call that V1, the voltage drop at R1. Okay? Pareho dito, right? Plus, the voltage drop at R2. Plus the voltage drop at R3. So that's V3. So VAB now is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. Okay. Now, what is V1? Okay, now since this is the single pipe, think of this as a single pipe or think of this as a single conveyor nung nagaana siya. Meaning that the current at each point here, the current is the same. So that this circuit has a single current I called I. Sa ato ba, what's V1? According to Ohm's law, that's V equals IR. So this is now I times R1, right? Plus, this is I times R2 plus I times R3. So that VAB now would be equal to I times R1 plus R2 plus R3. That's VAB. Now, what is this R1 plus R2 plus R3? That is, let's interpret that. Well, di ba kani siya, instead of having this ladder, di ba pwede na ko ni isahon lang, isa kahulog lang, right? Tama? Kaysa ka nang isahan na lang ba? Sa kahulog ra. Right? Instead nga, blag. O, isa na lang kahulog. Pero of course, mas gusto ko atong blag, right? Mas dili tamaan no, mabunog. Kaysa isa ka na, no? Okay? That layo kayo. Okay? So, pwede na siya ana, right? And this whole thing, ni cambio ani nga is what we can think of this as REQ, the equivalent resistance. So instead of these three, I will replace this by just a single one. So meaning I can simplify this circuit into a much simpler circuit, which is the same, only that this is, we call this REQ. And REQ now would be equal to this. Sabtan? The sum of all this, we just need to add. Nakuha ninyo? Okay? Okay. So, this is now, that's why we call these resistors, this connection of resistors are as resistors in series. Sabtan ninyo? Okay, you have to understand that. Actually, kaning gi-explain ako, dili na siya mga explanation sa mga books. I'm actually giving an analogy for you to understand it better. Okay. So, for series now, for resistors in series, the equivalent resistance would be just the sum of the resistors. Plus and so on, right? And of course, the current passing through each resistor must be the same current. Right? And of course, the total voltage in a series is just the sum, right? The sum of the total voltage VT is equal to V1 plus V2 plus and so on, right? And of course, since by virtue of the conservation of energy, this must be equal to the EMF, right? The voltage generated by the EMF, which is just V. You can think of VT as the EMF. Tama? Sabtan ninyo? Okay? Now, how about when we have a different scenario? We have resistors in parallel. Okay? So we have this example. Instead of that, we have this. Okay? Now, if we have resistors in parallel, and we want to replace this, we convert this into this kind of circuit, isa lang. Then we call this REQ. Now, let's understand this. These are, kani siya dire, kani og dire, and kani og dire. Let's call this point A, point B, point C, point D, point E, and point F. Okay. Actually, okay? Yeah. Kung sa'yo napansin nato, na ano nato dire, we would know that this is of the same level. Murag kag naay conveyor nga, murag naay conveyor nga, ani ba? Naay hagbunganan dire, pero pwede ka mo diretso dito. Pwede po ka diri mahagbong. Pwede po ka diri mahagbong, right? It's like this. Pero sa effect ani, ang effect ani is that let's think of that as the velocity, ang kapaspason sa ano, sa conveyor. Okay? Na something maitabo diri that the conveyor here will run slower. And this conveyor here will run much slower. Pag-abot diri, no, na ano, mag-combining duha diri, pag-abot diri, this conveyor, kani mag-adapt, so ang velocity, ang speed sa conveyor diri will be the same as diri. And mo adapt na pud ning duha diri, okay, kaning diri, mas slower na ni siya diri, no? Murag ang kani, tungaon siya dito. Actually, yeah, medyo wala siya analogy dira, no? Pero ako lang gipilit. Huwag kasing pilitin, no? So, murang, the analogy failed. Murang dili nato siya piliton. Pwede piliton diri, no? Okay? Unang kusog sa kakusog ni mo mamilit, wala. Okay? Epic fail no, no? Pero, pwede ba? Piliton pag yun. So, ayaw na lang. Okay. Now, let's think of this as, atong i-change ang energy na lang, no? So, muna, buday mong dapat behavior, no? Since nag-fail ang analogy dire, maybe we'll use another. Pipe na lang. Kung ano? Okay? Find another one. Huwag mo pagpilitan ng sarili mo. Okay. Find another one. Dito na lang ta sa tubig nga analogy, right? Okay? So, kung sa'yo may tabo, pag pipe ni siya, o na kay flow diri, volume, na certain volume flow. The flow is measured by the volume of the fluid it delivers per unit time, no? Now, of course, ang flow diri will be, kung naay flow nga mo adto diri, naapoy flow nga mo adto diri, right? But, of course, we know that conservation, since walay kakawala, we add the flow here and we add the flow here must be equivalent sa flow diri, tama? Okay? Nakuha? This is now a perfect analogy. Okay? Pag-abot na po, nasabtan ninyo, ang flow dire, tungaon dire, dili siya tunga nga half yun, no? But of course, it will depende na siya sa kuan. Basta, kabalota that when you add the flow here and you add the flow here, it must be the same with this one. Right? Kaya alangan, wala man siya gipadtuan nga lain. Tama? Now, of course, ang flow dire, matunga na po, no? Padulong na po dire, o mapadulong dito. Okay? Now, of course, ang kani, when we add this one, it must be the same flow dire, right? No? So we now have this, what we call, if this is 0.1 and this is 0.2, then we can say that V of 1A, which is the current that passes this one to A, okay, will be equal, okay, ana siya, no? And of course, this will be equal to, unsa man? We call this current dire, we can call that IAC, right? And of course, i-add nato ni, which is IAB. Tama? So therefore, we have this, the sum of these two current must be equal to this, right? Nakuha? And later on, we will be identifying this as the Kirchhoff's junction rule. In fact, this is already Kirchhoff's junction rule. Okay? Pero dili man ta Kirchhoff's ano dire. Dili sa Kirchhoff nga ano, okay? Now, so unsay kalahian dire karon nga circuit? Katong ganiha dire ang current nga muagi sa ilaha ang flow pareho lang, tama? Okay? Dire kay lain-lain ang flow. Okay? Now, kabalo pud ta that this is of the same potential, tama? Ibig sabihin, VAB is equal to V CD, right? Tama? This is of the same potential. Murag kaning diri ba? Okay? Masabtan? Pare-pare silang potential. So, VAB is the same as VCD is the same as VEF. Ibig sabihin, the voltage drop across its resistors will be the same. Kaya pareho naman sila kahulugan, right? Mahulog ka dira o asa ka mo pili, pareho lang. Tama? Nasabtan ninyo? Nasabtan? Okay. Nasabtan. Okay. Now, of course, what is VAB? Ano daw ang ano ba? Kaya ito ang lain na kita na sa video. Ito ang mga viewers ba? Pero tabuni. Okay? So, okay na? Okay. So, asa na ta? Nasabtan? Nasabtan ni siya. Okay, pare-pareho lang siya voltage. Now, of course, what is VAB? VAB is, let's call this I1, I2, and I3, right? So, sa ato pa, VAB is just equal to R1, okay? Is just equal to I1, R1 will be just equal to I2, R2 will be equal to I3, R3. Okay? Sabtan. Okay? And unsay ato ang equation diri? We know now, what we know here is that when we add all this current, this has a what we call a total current I. And this total current I will be divided into three, I1, I2, and I3. So sa ato pa, we know now that I, the total current I, will be equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. And of course, you can add that up to IN. And what is I1? I1 is just equal to V over R. Tama? So this is, sa ito pa, this is now, I will now erase this. This is now equal to V1 over R1. What's V1? That's just VAB. Nakuha? Kani, the voltage drop on that one there. So this is V1 over R1 plus I2, which is V2 over R2 plus V3 over R3. Tama? Now, di ba V1 equals V2 equals V3? Right? Tama? And if we let this to be our VT, sa ato pa, each of this will be VT. Tama? So that we can factor out now VT, sa ato pa, VT times 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2 plus 1 over R3. And this is equal to I. Therefore, what do we have here now? Okay. Therefore, okay, diri na lang. This is again equal to, okay, this is equal to I. So, okay, I is equal to VT. Okay, atong i-count na VT. Okay? And I'm going to replace this by a single resistor called 1 over R EQ. So that this would become VT over R EQ. 1 over R EQ. Now, sa ato pa, for resistors in parallel, I can convert this into this REQ such that we have this equation 1 over REQ is equal to 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2 plus 1 over R3. Okay? So, we have these rules now sa series and parallel. What is left is actually applying this in order to solve the currents in its circuits. But of course, this is the simplest form. Okay? Suppose we have this circuit here. Now, this is a combination of series and parallel, right? For example, these two resistors here are in series. Okay, ito ni siyang dugagan rin, no? Okay, this is in series. So say buhato nato. Ang goal ani is that the first thing that we must do is find the total current. What is the total current? That's the current that would pass through the EMF. Huh? That is this current there, the total current. So in order to do that, we must convert the circuit into this form here. Okay? We must convert that circuit into this form. So, i-combine nato. So we can simplify this. Okay. Now, this is a multiple step simplification. Okay? Unahon nato ang series nga ma-combine, right? We can combine this in a single resistor, right? So meaning, this will now be equivalent to that. Let's say that all R here is equal to 2 ohms lang, no? Para sa yun. So meaning, we have now this, okay, that one. And, okay, kani, makombine na nato na siya, no, right? So, this now becomes 4, 2, 4, 2, right? And this is 2. Tama? Okay, let's give this a voltage. Let's say this is, let's say, 10 volts. Okay? Now, of course, asa atong pwede makombine? Well, dili pa nato ni sila pwede hilabtan, but we can combine this, right, into a single resistor. Think of this as na terminals dire, okay? Now, if that's terminal now, meaning that these two resistors here are in parallel with each other, tama? So therefore, the next equivalent circuit will be this. Naapa ni siya, na kay 4, na kay 2, na kay 2, pero kani isa na lang, tama? But we call this REQ. What's that REQ? That's just 1 over REQ equals 1 over 4 plus 1 over 2. That would be 3 over 2, tama? 3 over 4, tama? This is 3/4. So sa ato pa, this is whole thing is 4/3. We have to reciprocate that one. Okay. Now, of course, these two again will be in series with each other, tama? So, kung sa mahitabo karon sa atong circuit, ang next circuit will be, butang na o dire, mahimo na siya og ana, kana, okay? And then maisa na ni siya, right? 2 gihapon ni siya, and then this is 4. But this one is, which is just the sum of this. Nakuha? So that is 6/3 plus 4/3. That's actually 10 over 3. Tama? This is 10 over 3. 2 plus 4 over 3 is 10 over 3. So, again, ang next nato would be to simplify this into a single resistor. So, naanatay ani, no? This is still 4, but you now have, this is a series, parallel. So, 1/2, so 1 over 2, this is 1 over REQ, equals 1 over 2, plus 1 over 10 over 3, that means that is 3 over 10, no? Reciprocal lang. And this is equal to 5, this is 8 over 10, this is equal to 4 over 5. So, sa ato pa, this is now equal to 5 over 4. And now, finally, we have this circuit. That's 5 over 4 plus 4. That's 16 plus 5. That's 21 over 4. Okay, thank you. Nasabtan niya siya? This is now 21 over 4. Paki-check, no? That's 16 over 4. Yeah, plus 5. 21 over 4. Okay. Okay, para simple, ato na lang ni siyang himuon og 4 over 21. Ay, wait. V equals IR. I is equal to 21 over 4 na lang po ni. Volts. Akong gi-change, no? Kay para pag-divide na ako, diretso lang. Sabtan? Para mas dali. Or, kana na lang, 21 over 4. I change it to 21 over 4. Why? Because we know that the total current is equal to V over R. If that is 21 over 4, kasi may tabo ron. Sa may tabo. So, that's 21 over 4 divided by 21 over 4. My current now would be 1 amperes. Okay? Now, nalimot pa dahil yung sulti no, that the unit of resistance is ohms. Okay, 2 ohms. Okay? So, ampere is equal to volts over ohm. So, we now have the total current now here is 1 ohm. Now, pabalik na po ta isa-isa. Atong i-calculate na po ang voltage drop sa kada isa ka resistor. Mo man goal na to. Find the current passing through each resistor and the voltage drop. Okay? So, to do that, okay? So, sa ato papilay voltage drop diri karon, ang voltage drop diri karon is of course 21 over 4. Tama? That's 1 times this. Now, the current is 1 ampere. Pagbungkag nato ana, each of these resistors will experience 1 ampere. Tama? So, pilay voltage drop sa kada isa. So, this one will experience a voltage drop of IR. So, the voltage drop here is just equal to 1 times 5 over 4. So, that is 5 over 4 volts. Sabtan? And this one is, pila? 4 volts. Tama? This will experience a voltage drop of 4 volts. Of course, when you add 5 over 4 plus 4 volts, you will get 21 over 4 volts. Right? Now, ibalik na po nato isa-isa dire. Okay. Still, kanisya will be receiving pila? 4 volts, right? Now, since pagbalik nato sa netabo sa circuit, di ba, parallel? So, sa ato pa, each of these will receive a voltage of 5 over 4 volts and kanisya will receive a voltage of 5 over 4 volts each. Sabtan? Kay pagbungkag nato, nahimo man siyang parallel. So each of those terminals will have the same potential difference. Nakuha? Okay? Now, gibungkag na pod nato ni siya. Asa atong nabungkag ron? Kani, right? Now, of course, diri na siya o diri, this terminal will be the potential difference between this point and this point. If you call this point A and point B, then BAB is 5 over 4 volts, right? Pero karon ang ganiha, diri karon ganiha ang A ug B, right? This is A and this is B. Pagbungkag nato sa duha ka resistor, A and B are replaced by 2. Duha ka hagdan, imbis na katong isa lang, nahimo siyang ana, nakuha? Sabtan? No? Nahimo siyang ana. No? Kay na siya series. So, sa ato pa, this one, pila to? 5 over 4 volts ang potential difference dire. But, okay, ang question karon is pilay potential difference sa kada isa. If we take another point here called point P, what is BAP and what is BPB? Sabihin, the voltage drop here and the voltage drop here. Well, to do that, we must calculate first the current that passes through this resistor. What is that current? That current is just the voltage drop of this divided by the resistance. So sa ato pa, that current, now, let's call this IAB. No, IAB, because I put A and B there, will just be 5 over 4 divided by 10 over 3, no? Or that would be 5 over 4 times 3 over 10, which give us 2, that's 1/2, tama? Amperes. Sakto ba? This is 5, 10, that's 2, right? 2. So 4 times 2, 3 over 8 day. 3 over 8 amperes. Okay? So, pagbungkag nato ron, okay? Sige na tagbungkag, no? Okay? So, pagbungkag ron, kay mayong bungkag, kay mayo kay pagabungkag dire. Kay pagbungkag nato ron nga ani na, each of this will have the same current. Tama, mao gihapon ni kay pareho ra man siya nga pipe, right? So sa ato pa, IAP, this current and this current is the same. What is that current? 3 over 8. So this current here is 3 over 8. So makuha natong voltage drop diri, tama? Tama? Pilay voltage drop dira. So that V there, whatever is that, ako lang gibutang ag-arrow, is 4 over 3 times the current, which is 3 over 8. That is now 1/2 volts. Tama? Right? Yeah, 1/2 volts. That's I times R. Okay, how about the voltage drop there? Well, the voltage drop here, I will put, hugaw na kayong solusyon. V there is equal to IR, 3 over 8, I times R, which is 2. That would be, ilan eh? 3 plus 2 is, 3 times 2 is 6 over 8. That's 3/4 volts. Now, tanawa, i-add ang 3/4 o 1/2. 3/4 o 2/4. 5/4, diba? Which is actually, when you add that, 5/4 volts, right? So, that's actually one way of checking your answer, no? As you go along. So, nasabda na, nakuha na nato na siya, no? That's actually 3/4 volts. Now, ato na pod ning bungkag na pod nato. Kung sa atong gibungkag kani, right? Kani gibungkag nato into 2. But again, unsay guide nato, since kani of the same potential, to pa, potential dire is the same as this, right? Parallel man. So, pilay voltage drop dire? The voltage drop is 1/2. So, meaning that the voltage drop here will be 1/2 volts and the voltage drop here will be 1/2 volts. So, nakita na niyo yung pattern? Hindi wala siya pattern actually. Pero ang procedure niya. Okay? So, nasabtan? Okay. Now, okay. Ang mahitabo karon is 1/2 volts. Makuha na po nato ang current kada isat, right? Pilay current dire. Well, ang current dira karon, di na ako tagag-label. That would be V over R. That's 1/2 divided by 4. That's 1 over 8 amperes. Tama? Okay? Ang muagi dire. How about here? Pilay muagi dira. Pila ganin ito? So, 1/2 over 2, that's, sa ito pa, ang current dira is 1/4 amperes. Okay. Pag-ani na po nato, okay, natay current dira 1/4 amperes and 1/4 amperes. Atong gibungkag. Kanina po, right? So, karon pilay current dire. Mao gyapon pilay current dire gani ha. 1/8 no? So 1/8 amperes ang current diha. Makuha nato ang voltage drop sa kada isa, tama? So pilay voltage drop dire. Pila gani ni 2 right? So that's 2 times 1/8, so that's 1/4 volts. And kani 2 gihapon, so that's 1/4 volts. Now notice 1/4 plus 1/4, di ba? 1/2 volts. Tama? Di ba? 1/4 volts plus 1/4 volts is what the 1/2 volts. Okay? So, nakuha na nato na. And, kabalo na punta dire. And, asa na pod ta? Kanina pod, no? Pilay current dire karon. Ay, asa pa ta? Napata dire ba? Wala pa nakabot diya. Ay, nakabot na ta. Pero wala pa nato na-solve ni, no? I-solve sa nato ni. Nakuha na nato, di ba? Pilay current dire. Ang voltage drop niya is 3/4 volts, right? Tama? So, ito ba pilay current diri karon mo agi? That current, since ang voltage drop diri is this, 3/4 volts, tama? Medyo hugaw lang siya. But it is, the voltage drop here is 3/4 volts. So, therefore, the current here is 3/4 divided by 2, that's 3 over 8, tama? 3 over 8 amperes. Which should be the case. Okay? Kay kani tanawa, pilay current gani rin nga ni agi gani. Pila gani ni? Asa na to no? 1/4. 1/4 plus 1/8. That's 3/8, right? So, tanaw, i-add ni mo ni, di ba? Pao ni siya, 3/8. Tama? Right? That's 1/4 ni o 1/8 ni, tama? And you add these two, you get that, 3/8, right? So, it should be 3/8. Again, okay, karon, ang question na pud karon is, kani, dire. Well, to solve that, pilay voltage drop ani tanan? Di ba ang voltage drop ani is, pila to? VAB. Asa ang VAB? Na. Asa? Mila ni? Yan na. IAB is 5 ports. Kay IAB ma, right? Morning VAB. So, sa ato pa, the voltage drop here is 5 volts. Since this whole thing is in parallel with 2, sa ato pa ang voltage drop diri kay pila? 5/4 volts. Patay, ana siguro yung audience. Usa naman ni si Sir. Okay, libre ra bitaw ni. Okay, if you want a cleaner solution, you have to ganing membership. So, ganang bago ron? Members only. Okay, for members only, ako ning usbon dito, no? Members only. Kay limpyuhon ako ni siya dito, no? Naman na siya, di ba? Subscription. Monthly na na bago ron. Okay, may pa magbutang na kuha na, no? Okay. So, if you want a cleaner solution and no ads, then members only. Okay, asa na ta? Ganito na, no? Limot ako. Okay, 5/4 volts, right? So, pilay current dire. Pabala na ang current, right? So, pag 5/4 volts ni, this means, now take 4 volts dire, tama? So, for 4 volts, makuha po na itong, this is the total current, which is, ganiha. Mukha man yung total current. So, ang current dire, nakuha na nato, right? Pilay current dire. Itong total current, 1 ampere, right? So, pilay voltage dire karon 2 plus 2 volts. No? 2, 2. Of course, 2 plus 2. Dayon ang katong other, pila to? 5/4 volts, gitunga nila dire, no? So, muna na siya ang answer. Okay? And again, medyo gubot siya. So, on the spot man gud ni siya. But for members only, there will be a solution for a cleaner solution with colors. Okay? So, gusto mo nga, makakita ninyo nga nindot nga na color. Members only, no? Monthly subscription. Okay? Joke na bitaw na. Pero kung tinudon ninyo, okay ra pod. Pero di mo man yata, kay wala pa man na-monetize. Munang ipa-subscribe na lagi inyong mga mama, inyong papa, inyong kuan. Para ugma times to tanan to nag-subscribe dito, apil mama og 400 subscribers na yata. O, murag 400. Unya, kaning 400, og ilang mama og papa, so madungagan og 800, right? Mamonetize na. 1,000. 1,000. Kaya madagan na ganing subscribers, basin day makapalit kog katong board nga magsiga-siga na siya. O dili na ni katong ng TV gyud nga naay ko ana lang ko diri, no. So maybe. So you know ra. Pero magkatinuod, di ba, nindot po ba, alisod po ba mag-edit class? Akong trabaho, ga-edit kong video. Di nagod ko katuon, ga-edit na lang kong video. Okay.